since Wednesday morning. It's been raining since Wednesday morning pretty hard. We just came back in. My dad's at the camp. I was driving the four-wheeler in, and I seen some fresh tracks. I knew they were fresh because it's been raining, as I said, for 2 days. I was planning to park the bike and walk and see if I could find them before I had a chance to park, or before I decided to park. I ended up seeing them on the road. I don't think I spooked them that bad, so tomorrow morning we're going to set up along this road here, another spot down here a little further, and another one. So hopefully this guy's going to come out and someone's going to get lucky. We've seen him now. This is the third time. Once the first morning on the bikes. Danielle's seen him, I think it was Tuesday evening. So he's going to make a mistake in front of somebody yet. Anyways, the night's not over. I'm hoping he's going to come out just up here where he seen the moose? It's also rained for 2 straight days, so it's pretty easy to tell it's a brush track. Getting some stove wood cut for next year. Nice beech and some dead standing pine. What? Nothing, I'm talking to myself. You gotta talk to the video, it's pretty boring. Pull that out with the Can-Am. Today's chores. Dad, tell me, what do you think of your moose hunt 2014?
Well, it was a little bit disappointing for all the work that we did, but at least we had a good week of holidays and we got a lot of stuff done. We're ready for the years ahead. So I think it'll be okay.
We've seen a lot of moose on camera this year.
We've seen lots of moose. Not the right ones sometimes, and the other ones, well, the right ones we just could not get a shot at them.
Yeah, we've seen what in total? Six different moose, or six?
Yeah.
6 sightings. 2 people had moose around them.
Moose here.
Just nobody got a chance while they were sitting in their tree stand on a bull.
That's right.
A couple cows, but nothing.
Two nice cows. If the cows would have been open, we could have had 2.
Yeah.
They had perfect shots on them, so.
So that's encouraging. At least we see the numbers kind of coming up.
Yeah.
Just nobody crossed paths with a bull.
Next year we're going to apply for
some cow
tags.
Yeah, and we're gonna, instead of having to work on this camp, we'll be able to work on tree stands and clearing out some spots to hunt in.
That's right, and have some stands and get ourselves more comfortable.
Well, I think in closing it was a good year, and hopefully next year, well, a couple of guys still hunting today for the rest of today, but
tomorrow morning I don't know if they're going to hunt for very long. They got to close down their camp and leave.
It's a long trek back home.
This year we're lucky. From now on we're keeping our camp up for as long as we can.
All right, well, see you next year.
See you next year.
Cut some wood for next year. Packing the bike up and the trailer. Cleaned up a lot of junk from the old camp. Got some good stove wood for this year, or for next year, maybe the year after. So hopefully in years to come we'll be more successful, but we had a fun year, and it's all about spending time with friends and family and enjoying your time off.